Today unboxing is on the Tomica Limited Vintage Neo, the Isuzu Elf panel van. This time for the Yamazaki breed. I did an unboxing on the very first 7-Eleven variant exactly 1 year ago. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. These are very commonly seen delivery vehicle on the streets in Japan. The Yamazaki breed panel van comes in an elongated box. You have to install the side mirror yourself, which is a hassle. Behind standard license information. First impression, it looks almost real. Details are highly realistic, which is no surprise coming from TLV. I really like the effort on the headlights and on the grille, and also for the interior, which is very realistic. The paint job is flawless with a distinctive red and white division. Realistic wheel sets that rolls extremely well without any suspension. Very detailed base. It's totally identical to the 7-Eleven variant. Even the spare wheels is identical to the wheel sets, and it just happened to be positioned on the joining parts. Slightly disappointed that the body is in plastic. With a high retail price, it should at least come with a die-cast body instead of plastic. No opening parts for the rear, and I'm slightly disappointed that it has a lack of details. The door lines are not painted. Even the rear light is painted instead of plastic inserts. Although there's many plastic components for this Isuzu Elf panel van, overall it's still a very realistic truck. These are very commonly seen delivery vehicle, especially for the 7-Eleven, which I always come across in Japan. They look almost real and look superb in die-cast photography, especially with a diorama setting. Stay tuned for more TLV unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!